Hello and welcome to the Atlona Video Education Series. My name is Ken Eagle and with me is Senior Sales Engineer for Atlona, Seth Powell. And today we're going to talk about the HDVS-300 soft codec video conference system. So Seth, what is a soft codec video conference system and why might someone want to use this?
Sure. So traditionally, you may be familiar with a hard codec conferencing system, which would stand for an actual physical piece of hardware that's used in a conferencing system. A soft codec conferencing system is a conferencing system based around a piece of software. So things like Skype, Zoom Room, BlueJeans, these types of software. So the main reason someone might use something like this is because it really brings down the barrier to entry on a conferencing system and makes these systems much more accessible to a whole wide range of applications.
So if I'm in a soft codec conference, say I've got my laptop open and I'm using Skype, how do other people in the room participate in my Skype session on that call?
Sure. So in a soft codec conferencing system, generally you would interface with things like a USB camera, such as the HDVS cam that we have right here, or maybe, for example, a USB microphone. So you interface those other pieces of hardware via USB to your soft codec conferencing system, such as an HDVS-300 here.
All right, and it looks like we've got two pieces to this system. So I'm assuming here you've got a transmitter and a receiver. Can you tell us a little bit about these and how do they connect to each other to create the system?
Sure. So it's really quite simple. As you mentioned, yes, there is a transmitter and a receiver. The receiver, which you can see here, is very low profile for mounting behind a display. And then you have your transmitter here, a little larger, which is going to be kind of the brains of the system. It's going to do all of your switching and has all your inputs and things in it as well. This would be mounted more than likely in a table or in a more centralized location where everyone would collaborate with it. And then these two are connected by a single category cable via HDVS-T. This is going to carry all of your control, video, audio, and USB signals over this one single cable. To make it even better, we have a single power on this receiver, so everything is powered at the receiver, and this transmitter is powered via PoE from this tiny little receiver right here.
And in terms of connectivity on this transmitter, what sort of inputs do we offer for the people using the system?
Sure. So on the back of the transmitter here, we have two HDMI inputs as well as a VGA input for your any analog needs that you might have, and also a DisplayPort input. On the receiver here, we even have a third HDMI input for if you might want to add like a media player or some other source back behind the display. So you can even interface with a source here at the receiver as well.
All right, well there you have it. That's the HDVS-300 or the 300C with the Atlona camera. That's the soft codec conferencing solution from Atlona, and you can learn more about this product online at atlona.com.